If you just clicked on this video, then you're highly welcome. I am Kesinton, and in today's video, I'm going to be teaching you all about ChatGPT, the new OpenAI tool. All you need to know about ChatGPT, how you can actually get started as a beginner using ChatGPT, and lastly, how to properly optimize ChatGPT. So make sure to stay tuned. Before we hop properly in today's video, if you're new to my YouTube channel, you see my face for the very first time, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel where I do upload lovely content as you're about to watch again in today's video. And yeah, without wasting much more time, let's hop properly into today's video. So basically, what is ChatGPT? ChatGPT is actually a chatbot that was launched by OpenAI in the late November 2022. With the use of ChatGPT, you can actually carry out so many activities, variety of activities such as, writing articles, writing essays, name it, whichever text-based activity. With the use of ChatGPT, you can actually generate quick responses to your search questions. To get started using ChatGPT, all you want to do is to go to your browser, as you can see on my PC right now. You want to do the same thing with your mobile device, whichever device you want to use, okay? And then you want to search chat.openai.com, okay? So chat.openai.com, okay? You want to search this directly, okay? I'm going to cancel this so you can see it real time, okay? This is how it's going to look like, okay, if you're doing it for the very first time, and then enter. Okay, so you're going to be linked directly to ChatGPT, as you can see on my screen right now. All you want to do is to click on sign up, okay, and then you want to input your email address and your password. Okay, so I'm going to do this real time for you guys. Okay, I'm going to do the same thing for your password. Good, and then continue. So immediately you're done with that, all you want to do is to verify. Okay, you want to go to your Gmail account. As you can see over here, you want to click verify email address. Like I said earlier on, you can do this also on your mobile device. You're basically going to chat.openai.com, and then you're basically doing the same thing I just did. Okay, so this is how it's going to look like if you are actually using a mobile device. This is basically how ChatGPT looks like on a mobile device. Okay, and then all you want to do is to continue. Tell us about you. Okay, you can just input your name. I'm going to say KitCast, and then Cast, okay, and then continue. All right, then verify your mobile number. Okay, I'm going to input my number. Okay, depending on your country, you want to select a country over here, and then you want to input your number, and then you can pick either way. Okay, either way of verifying your number, either through SMS or WhatsApp, whichever. Okay, so I'm going to do SMS real quick. So all you want to do right now is to check your mobile device again for the verification code. Okay, 191206. So 191206, and then you're basically good to go. So as you can see right now, I'm going to be linked to ChatGPT directly. So as you can see, I am in ChatGPT. So that's the first step you want to do in getting started. You want to create an account, going directly to chat.openai.com. You don't really need to go to the website. Okay, just into chat.openai.com, and then you proceed and do all that's needed, like I just showed you guys. So right now we're in ChatGPT. So now, how do you use ChatGPT? Like I said, all you want to do is to see ChatGPT as a support. Okay, anything you require, anything you want to achieve, you basically just want to ask ChatGPT directly. If you want to write an article based on something, if you want to write a letter, if you want to write an ebook, if you want to create a storybook, name it, a blog, whichever, a video script, YouTube scripts, name it. So basically, all you want to do is to ask ChatGPT specifically and directly. For example, write me a letter to my brother about me being drunk yesterday. This just came to my head, I don't know. Okay, so basically, as you can see, I just asked ChatGPT directly and specifically on something, and as you can see, ChatGPT is providing the answer directly for me. Yeah, if you're someone who doesn't like, the light mode, you basically have an option at the left. As you can see over here, it's really clear. Okay, you just want to click on dark mode. This is usually my best. Okay, and then again, same applies to whichever topic you want to research on. Okay, or whichever thing you want to write on. Name it. It's just countless. It's countless. Okay, for example, I want to write a song and I don't know the idea to use. I can basically just ask ChatGPT, write me a song script about love. Okay, as you can see, ChatGPT is going to supply the answer for you. And I would advise, if you're going to be using ChatGPT, the best thing to do is to copy whatever ChatGPT gives you and then adjust it. Okay, you want to input your own effort. Do not just rely on the text provided by ChatGPT, no matter what you're doing. Okay, especially if it's a project or an assignment, or you're doing it as a business for someone, it's better to actually adjust it. Okay, good. So yeah, the same thing applies to whichever activity you want to carry out. Okay, let's say I want to write a presentation as well. You basically want to ask ChatGPT, write me a PowerPoint presentation on properties of oxygen. I don't know why this is actually just come to my head. Of oxygen. Okay, so as you can see, slide 1, introduction, slide 2, chemical properties. Okay, it's basically giving us a guide. Like I said, you want to see ChatGPT as a support system. So guys, that's basically all you need to know about ChatGPT, how to get started by going to chat.openai.com directly and then creating an account. And then you're basically seeing ChatGPT as a support for anything you want to carry out. Okay, any text activity, specifically text activity you want to carry out. Okay, let's say you want to write an ebook, you want to write an article, you want to write a blog post, name it. You basically want to ask ChatGPT directly. So yeah, guys, that brings us to the end of today's video. We surely learned a lot from this video. And you haven't still subscribed, make sure to subscribe, as I'm sure you definitely learned a lot from today's video. And I'll see you guys in my next video.